Like I did the stupid thing. I would go to these two platforms and I would look for this hybrid blend. I generally believe that this is like the fastest way to get to $1 million. And my goal is for you guys to be smarter than me and to learn from the millions of dollars in mistakes that I made. Like if I had a gun to my head and I had to build $1 million business, $1 million business in 12 months or less, or they would pull the trigger and it would all be over. This is exactly what I would do. I would go to these two platforms, okay? I would go to these two platforms and I would look for this hybrid blend, trending / viral, but sustainable. Ooh, that's good. Trending / viral, but sustainable. So that means it's getting a lot of exposure, a lot of momentum, and a lot of shares. It's viral, it's trending, but it's a trending viral product that can be sustainable, okay? Now, once we identify the winner, we identify the product, I do one of two things, one of three things. I buy, I partner, or I build. I've never taught this philosophy, by the way, too. I'll make sure you guys get these notes, but I generally believe that this is like the fastest way to get to $1 million. If you have some capital, you have a decent amount of capital to start, like this may be one of the fastest ways to build a large brand and to get to that $1 million mark as fast as possible. TikTok or Instagram, and you can even branch out into YouTube. However, TikTok or Instagram will get you there. Mainly TikTok right now is going crazy. Trending / viral, but sustainable. And then buy, partner, build. Buy is to buy a brand, to buy a physical product brand that supports that product. So let's just say this is not the product, but let's say I look at TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, I see a toothbrush. Again, this is not the product. This is just for an example. I find the toothbrush. I ask myself, okay, it's trending and it's viral. Is it sustainable? Well, yes, people will need to brush their teeth for many years to come, I would hope, right? Okay, so this is step 1, done. This is step 2, done. Now I'm at step 3, which is buy, partner, or build. So now I'm gonna go to Empire Flippers. I'm gonna go to all these different websites that have brokers, that have businesses listed for sale. These are all in the directory, they're all in the course. We show you how to do this. But go to Empire Flippers, go to all these different websites and look for businesses that are selling, that are in the niche or sell the product. And when you buy businesses, you can buy multiple things. You can buy the intellectual property, you can buy the actual inventory, you can buy the lists. There's so many different things that you can buy. So imagine I go and I find a oral care company that's doing $100,000 per year and they want to sell at one EBITDA for $100,000, which is insane, right? You could buy that business for $100,000 using a conventional loan, which is 20% down for $20,000, right? Now, the cash flow from that business at $8,000 a month, whatever 100 divided by 12 is, $8,300 per month, will pay the note on that the difference on that loan. But then now instead of one EBITDA, you attach that toothbrush to that product, put it on Amazon, and then direct that viral traffic from TikTok to your Amazon listing. And now it can jump from a 1 to 3 EBITDA. And you can immediately sell it and make $200,000. But we don't want to do that because we want to make $1 million. So how do we take it a step further? We could then find someone who's in the hygiene niche or someone who's in the dental health or oral care niche and partner with them and say, I'm going to give you 25%. I want you to promote this. I want you to be a strategic growth partner. You want to promote this. Perfect example, in this exact niche, a friend of mine has a 9-figure, over $100 million brand in the oral company, in the oral care niche, right? And called Snow Oral Care. What he was able to do is he was able to partner with a professional football player who has notoriety and say, hey, you just need to take pictures and videos of you using the teeth whitening thing. You just need to post it, so on and so forth. I'll give you a small cut. So now we don't pay anything. We just go give up some equity. But then now, because the increased sales, let's say the increased sales gets us from the $300,000 per month to the $900,000 per month, right? Or enough to surpass 10 million. There's an automatic EBITDA multiplier when you surpass $10 million and you surpass $1 million in net profit. So now all I've done is 2 strategic plays. I've acquired or I've bought utilizing OPM, other people's money or debt, and then I've bootstrapped on a public face, a public figure, someone with notoriety, someone with influence for a percentage of equity. I gave them nothing. I increased the EBITDA, I've increased the sales, and now we can sell that business for millions of dollars. That's the buy approach. That's the partner approach. The build approach is exactly what you're doing right now. You can still go to TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube and find products that are trending or viral, but sustainable by using Jungle Scout or Helium 10. And then you can do what you're doing right now. Build out the brand. And once you build out the brand, you can then go and partner with influencers. Like I did the stupid thing. And my goal is for you guys to be smarter than me and to learn from the millions of dollars in mistakes that I made. I did the stupid thing. Amateurs monetize the front end, experts monetize the back end. For years and years and years and years, I paid influencers to promote me. And I made a fortune doing it. But if I would have partnered with influencers, I would have made a killing. Please don't let that go over your head. If you know Rich, another person, Rich is my age. Rich is a billionaire. Rich is the founder of Fashion Nova. He's my age. I may be doing all right. Rich bought the most expensive house in Malibu for like $65 million. And he doesn't even live there. What is the difference? Rich partnered with the influencers. I paid the influencers. Big difference. He had an army. I had a few joint ventures. So think about this stuff.